Guys, today we have an incredible case, 12-month follow-up to some no prep 3D printed veneers that I did on this patient. She presented to my practice wanting drill-free, numb-free, no prep veneers after spending 6 years in ortho. She has congenitally missing cuspids, premolars were moved into cuspid positions. We have a very difficult case, a very constricted occlusion. She was just over it and wanted something on her teeth. She felt they were small and all sorts of issues. When she smiled, she was not happy. So we took her through the smile trial process where I did a mock-up like we always do in exocad, same day mock-up. And then after the mock-up, we went ahead and converted that to 3D printed definitive veneers using Onyx Tough, the original Onyx Tough Hollywood white color. What we did is we bonded those on, and we're here now for the 12-month follow-up. She has not been back. I think it's been about 8 months since I've seen her. She has not been to a dentist for cleaning or anything. So these are untouched, not been polished. They have not been adjusted at all. So I'm here to check gingival health. I want to make sure that I don't get bleeding on probing. I want to make sure that she's doing okay with hygiene. So I'm going to check gingival health. Secondly, I'm going to go and check the occlusion. I want to make sure that we have maintained the occlusion on these veneers and that she's not hitting any one veneer more than another veneer, so that we could avoid any potential future complications down the line. So I do a full occlusal check in dynamic with articulating paper and without. After that, I like to also check the lingual margins to make sure I have no micro leakage, that everything is super clean and crisp. There's no plaque accumulation, no cement washout, just to make sure everything is super good. And so here you can see at the 12-month follow-up with no adjustments and polishing, we have a really phenomenal result that I would put on par with direct resin veneers, or maybe even approaching that of certain ceramic type materials. Now, I know it's only been 12 months, but let's see what the patient has to say about what she thinks about this whole process.
Everything changed. My aura changed, the entire atmosphere changed, it all shifted. My confidence was so much better. I feel like I'm just smiling all the time. I don't ever want to hide my smile. And before it's only a personal thing when it's something as little as, a smile that, nobody notices what you're noticing. You're criticizing yourself. But when you have the opportunity to have such a beautiful smile, and when, they gave that to me, I'm never gonna take that for granted. I love it so much. I walk around with a smile all the time. It's changed my life.